Today we'll be looking at how to use custom vision AI that's linked with Azure to do an image classification. So this is the page that will enable you to do that. You need to have an Azure account to do that. So when you get to this page, all you gotta do is just upload the images you want to use. So here we'll be using some animals, dogs, bird, and leopard. And to use this module, you need to upload at least 5 pictures of each tag. So we're gonna use 5 pictures for dogs, 5 pictures for bird, and 5 pictures for leopard. So let's go select our image and start with the tagging. Okay, so here we go to, here is where my images are. And we will first select with the leopard. Left with one. Yeah, one. We select and it'll ask us to give the tag that we want. So this is a leopard. The classification we want the module to be protected under. So this is a leopard tag. So we just upload the 5 document. It's not gonna take a while. It's gonna do the uploading a bit. Okay, it's successfully uploaded. So then you will see that the tag under is leopard and it's marked as leopard. So if I want to select this, you'll see there's no image there. It's gonna be our tag. So if you go to the tag and select leopard, it's gonna set up for leopard. So now we're gonna add another images, which we're gonna give the tag of dog. So this is gonna be dog. You upload the tag to, okay, successfully uploaded. If I want to select the leopard, you see that it's gonna show us only the tag of dogs. The same applies to when I do that for leopard too. It's gonna select the tag for leopard only. So we're gonna add our last image classification. That's gonna be the bird. So we select the birds. Go to open. So this is birds. Okay, you upload that too. Okay, it was successfully uploaded. So now you can see every picture and every image of the animals is being selected out according to the tags that was given. So if you want like only the tags of bird, these are them. The dogs too, you can add a leopard too. So when you're done with this, we are gonna use three. You can use 3 or more, but we're gonna use just 3 tags for now. And under 3 tags to upload the video on the images, you need to have more than 4. So 5 or more is okay. I'm gonna use 5 for this video purpose. So after you're done, we need to train the module to understand the classification matrix and everything on the images that was being uploaded. So you just go straight to performance. Oh no, you come back here, we select all, then we go to train. We need to train the module. So we go to quick train. Then we just wait for the module to train it. It's gonna take a little while. It's not gonna take that long. We just wait. And whilst we're waiting, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Bruce Ahen, and my group partner is Derek Appear, and we're working on this. And I asked the professor if one could just present, and he said yes. So I'm doing the presentation for the both of us. Okay. It's taking long than the first one anticipated. So the module was taking a long time, so I had to pause. So on the time frame doesn't be a lot. So it's done with the training. So as you can see, on the precision for Leopard, it score 100, recall score 100, and AP score 100. The precision means how best the module is easy to predict the accurate or the correct tag. And this recall is how the module really remember the matrix of the image text. And this is the summary of both of them. And this is 100, meaning the module didn't have a lot of pictures to train on, so this is overfitting. Yeah, so this is the um, the score of the module's performance on it, and this looks good though. So if you go to the prediction method, now we're gonna test the module to see how accurate it's gonna be. So if you go to the prediction side, all you gotta do is do a quick one, and it will ask you to upload an image. You go to browse, just take any image you want. You can just take the same image you use to see how best it's gonna perform. So as you can see, the probability that is a leopard is 93.3. It's more than 50%, meaning it's working good. So if you go to browse again, we select that for a bird, and we try to do the same thing. It's performing like 86%. This is performing better. So if you go to do the same thing for dog 2, you're supposed to do the same thing. Yeah, so the dog 2 is 98%. This is how to use the Azure Custom Vision AI to do image classification. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.